What's happening, humans? A few days back, we received cold brew packs from Toffee Coffee Roasters. This was the first time we made cold brew, so let's see how that went.
Alright, did you like that? If you did, like and subscribe to the channel so that I can make more content like this. So, Toffee Coffee Roasters cold brew. This is the first time ever having it, so I'm just going to have it like that, neat, without adding any ice or milk or sugar. So, let's do this. So it's basically like drinking your coffee. I'm trying to find something which is different, but I think cold brew is supposed to be made like this, and I don't know if it is supposed to be tasting different, but this, just like that, I'm loving it. I don't like black coffee that much. I always mix it with milk and a little bit of sugar, but this I could drink just like that. By the way, really cool glass, isn't it? This is from Table Trends. Thank you, Table Trends, for sending the glasses, and thank you, Toffee Coffee Roasters, for sending the cold brew pack. Okay, now I'm gonna add some ice because they have it with ice in their video, so I'm just gonna have it with ice. I like it like this. It's not strong. It's not that strong. I left the bag inside the jug for, I guess, 16 hours is the time that they asked me to put it in, but I think I left it for like 18-20 hours, so yeah. Right, so we added a little bit of ice. It's not whiskey. Wow, immediate change of taste. So it's more chilled and there's a nice smooth flavor that's coming out. I mean, I don't want to act like a coffee aficionado and talk about it. I'm getting this notes, I'm getting that notes, and I'm getting this tasting. But the coffee, the way you taste it, the way you want to taste it, it's definitely there. But with the ice, wow, I like it. It's more chilled and it's very nice. What is left to do? Let's just try this with a little bit of milk, and that's it. That was beautiful. Alright, so I've not added any sugar. Holy. Okay, this is the first time I'm ever having cold brew, alright? This is like having a nice, really nice cold coffee. I can just imagine if I just put a little bit of whipped cream on that and you know, a little bit of sugar, of course, or brown sugar, whatever. I think it would be just brilliant. I added like probably 30 ml or 15 ml of milk, not more than that, because since the we had the coffee already, the cold brew coffee already, we just add a little bit of milk, and that itself is just wow. This for me is really good coffee. And as you saw, one pouch makes one jug, probably like 1 liter jug or something. And so one pouch, it requires 4 or 6 cups of water. So these packs, a pack of 4, and each pouch contains 1 pack that you saw in the video, is 650 rupees on their website, and they also have instructions on the back side of the package. You can store this in refrigerator for 7 days, right? So even if I don't drink this for the next few days, it's still going to be okay. It's basically coffee decoction, right? Nothing's gonna go away. But a cold brew one, I have never had it like this. This is really good. Toffee Coffee Roasters, cheers to you guys for making such an amazing product. First of all, getting in touch with me and asking me to do this. This is something that I've been putting off because I'm not doing reviews anymore. Although I really want to, because you know, it allows me to experiment with all these kind of things that I'm doing with the slow motion and all these things. So thank you so much, Toffee Coffee. I know I delayed this a bit, but I hope the video made up for it. Okay, yeah, that's about it. Check out their website. It's linked in the description down below. My name is Sai Sandesh Makam, reminding you to try Toffee Coffee Roasters cold brew today. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.